I can't explain. I got a feeling that I can't erase. Just a feeling that I want it behind. Because it's something that it's on my mind. I guess it goes like la 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 shake for me. Shake for me. Work for me, dance for me, move for me, shake for me, work for me, dance for me, move for me, shake for me, work for me, dance for me, move for me, shake for me, work for me, dance for me, move for me, shake for me. Shake for me, work, dance, move, shake for me. Shake.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours, I could teach you, but I have to try. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours, I could teach you, but I have to try. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, 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 teach you, but I have to try.